Hello, and thank you so much for recently visiting one of our professional real estate or financial planning, financial freedom websites. I'm Daniel Kleinfelter with the Solid Approach Realty team, and we certainly appreciate you for coming in. Now, I want to be 100% certain that your inbox never receives more than you signed up for. I also want to be certain that you did, in fact, get the dynamic links and it works to whichever topic you're most interested in, and you may certainly sign up for more than one. In fact, I encourage you to do so. We cover in detail topics from financial planning, estate planning, senior transition planning, how credit works. Don't be a sucker. Be your own bank, and exactly what everyone needs to know and what to have in place, from wills, probate, and trust to new construction, builder and financing confidence. Oh, and can't forget the money-saving, sell smarter, not harder, $49.97 EquityMax.com plan for sellers wanting to sell on their own. Maybe you're here to simply download our free senior guides and checklists, or to look at new homes, maybe floor plans, maybe even look into our new affordable, it's crazy out there, options we are putting on the ground today, including really nice higher-end mobile homes out on property. Wow, they've come a long way with mobile homes. Either way, we don't want you to receive topics that you are not interested in, or property alerts for areas or price ranges outside your scope. It doesn't make any sense. So let's connect and make sure that we make proper adjustments to achieve this. Simply text back or email at any time to set a 5 to 10 minute call with us. We are really efficient at editing these lists for you. It won't take any time at all. For all of you savvy seekers of secrets and truths, go check out our YouTube channel, Living in Canton, Georgia Realty Buzz, as well. We'll throw a link in here somewhere. We love and we are grateful for you trusting in us. I will prove to you that you made the best decision.